So we have an issue with this A1 Mini. If you look closely, you can see right here, there's filament stuck in the tube and it's broken. And the system isn't letting us purge this out. So I want to show you how to get this tube off of your A1 Mini. You're going to want to push down right here, and that's going to release the tube. You can also push down right here, and you can use like a piece of metal or a little wrench if you need to, but it's not that difficult. Could you video shape for me? So if you just go like this, you push down, you can pull it out. And the same thing for over here. You just push down. And you might have to pull a little harder on this one. But then you get your tube out, and you can either grab your filament, or if you can't reach it, you can just push some more filament through here. Let's see. Let's actually do that really quick. So we'll feed it all the way through. And as you see, it's coming out now. You just remove your filament. Let's put it back on. Just put it right here. Push it in. And right here at the top, you're gonna want to push it in. And there we go. You're back in business. Cool, thanks.